Okay, in this short lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake database in order to get the ball rolling on creating our first API call. And the reason we're going to use a fake database as opposed to a real one for now is because we're not quite ready for a real database just yet. So let me go ahead and show you how to create a very, very simple fake database. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these two lines of code here, going to remove this function that was responsible for responding. And for now, what we're going to do is just say var users, since our API example is going to handle basic CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete on user objects. So we're going to need our user array, which is going to serve as the database for our first few examples. And last but not least, we're also going to want users to have an ID, which means that we're going to store what the max user ID is by default. So first of all, we're going to set max user ID to 0. And then as we create new users, we're going to increment this ID. And later on in the course, we'll actually use a real Mongo database. So don't worry if you're worried about why are we doing it this way. It's just to get the ball rolling, to get you familiar with writing the basic API calls. And that's actually it for this very, very short lesson.